Are you tired of potholes?
We have the solution for Public Works and Ministry of Transportation.
Are you frustrated or angry to pay for repairs on your car because of potholes? Would you like to drive on safe roads without potholes? PAVTECH has a solution with iSphalt 6.5. No more problems with potholes. No more accidents or deaths because of the potholes. No need to wait for the ideal weather conditions to repair the potholes.
No more temporary pothole repair that lasts for a few weeks or even a few days.
PAVTECH is a company specialized in innovation and cold asphalt manufacturing. The iSphalt 6.5 is a cold asphalt made in Canada for permanent pothole repair and ready to use. Made of 100% top quality black granite, come from our own quarry. Patches potholes directly in water.
Ready immediately for car traffic. No need for heavy machinery. Can be used in any weather conditions. Repairs are permanent with 6 months warranty. Approved by Transport Quebec, the City of Montreal, and used by more than 30 cities. 14 months later, all the asphalt is broken around, except the repair made with iSphalt 6.5. PAVTECH is repairing a large pothole in a parking of heavy truck in springtime.
Two years later, the asphalt continues to crack around, but the repair made with iSphalt 6.5 remains intact. PAVTECH is repairing a pothole in winter. Watch as the vehicle can roll on the patch immediately, and the iSphalt 6.5 doesn't stick to the wheels at all. Four months later, PAVTECH did a toughness and strength test by pounding a 4 pounds mass on the patch several times.
The impact of mass on conventional asphalt makes it explode, but not on the repair made with iSphalt 6.5.
27 months after the repair, all the marks caused by the impact of the mass are gone.
The asphalt continues to break, but the repair done with iSphalt 6.5 is intact.
PAVTECH is repairing a large pothole in the middle of winter. The large pothole is on an industrial street with a lot of heavy trucks traffic.
As you can see, all the snow doesn't affect the efficiency of the product.
6 months later, the repair is still intact and remains permanent. Our raw material has come from our own quarry in north of Quebec, with over 300 million tons of reserve of premium black granite.
For more information, please contact PAVTECH at 888-608-0050 or info@pavtech.ca.
We invite you to visit our website at www.pavtech.ca.